AZ's viewer displays a validation summary, indicating the number of reference errors on each page. Sheet A 1.0 has 10 errors, Sheet A 1.1 has 8, and Sheet A 3.0 has 6. Let's tap A 3.0 to see the errors. The presence of red boxes enclosing the circles indicates the entire sheet is missing. Therefore, Sheet A 3.1 is not included in the PDF floor plans. Circles enclosed by orange boxes indicate a missing detail view. Therefore, Sheet A 4.2 exists, but detail 8 on that sheet is absent. As the same way, detail 9 does not exist on Sheet A 4.2. AZ's viewer is designed by an AIA certified architect. Thank you for watching.